want to come out here. Alright, they do. It says Saturday, September 28th. 2 days after Hurricane Helene. And it's even more hurricaney today than it was yesterday. I got my raincoat on, obviously. And yeah, let's go over here and see if we can see how much rain we've... Oh my goodness. Wow, that's a lot of rain. That's like 3 inches since yesterday. I should empty that out and see what we get today. So day after Helene, we got about, I don't know, a couple inch and a half or so. And then Helene, the day Helene went through, the 26th, we got about 1.5 inches. We didn't get very much rain from Helene. And then yesterday, we got that 3 inches. So we'll see what we get today on the 28th. But yeah, it's been raining for a while this morning, and looks like we're going to get a little bit more today. 70% chance, they're saying. Oh, I got to go look for my chainsaw. I think I got to see if my chainsaw is over here. All right, yeah, 20 minutes later, I did have the chainsaw covered, and then I took the opportunity to scrub everything off out here and wash it down with rainwater. Right, girly? So yes, even more hurricaney today than it was yesterday. I don't think it stopped raining since I emptied this thing. Let's see what we got in here. Oh yeah, there's a measurable amount in there. Can't really read it because it's all dirty. Clean out the inside of there. Oh man, we got almost 1/4 inch already.